Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta dura. First, gather your essential ingredients for a perfect dough. You will need 2 cups of fine durum wheat semolina flour, about 1/2 cup of warm water, and a small pinch of salt. Having these ready ensures a smooth process. A clean, spacious work surface is also crucial for kneading. This simple combination creates a firm, delicious pasta. Now, let's mix and knead the dough. Create a well in the center of your semolina flour on the work surface. Slowly pour the warm water into the well, incorporating the flour from the sides with your fingers. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it vigorously. Continue kneading for 10 to 15 minutes until the dough becomes smooth, elastic, and firm to the touch. After kneading, cover your dough and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll. Next, roll the dough out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Use a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, such as fettuccine or orecchiette, and dust with semolina to prevent sticking. To cook your fresh pasta dura, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add the pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Remember, fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Drain quickly and serve immediately with your favorite sauce. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.